This is the Shark Anti-Hair Wrap Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for $249.99. It's one of their newer models and it features the anti-hair wrap technology, which removes the issue of hair getting caught up in your hoover head and just makes cleaning the device a lot easier than older models. Now this is the 1 battery pack version. There is one that comes with 2 batteries and you have to pay about £100 more for that one. It increases your cleaning time by around 40 minutes. This has a maximum cleaning time of 40 minutes on a full charge. The battery life does depend on the setting that you use. Now there's many reasons why I opted for this one. One of the main ones was that I like the idea of the anti-hair issue. Not that I have much problem with that, but there's people in my house who do have longer hair, and so that will come in useful. Also, I like the idea of the HEPA filter, so it helps with anti-allergies and that sort of thing. And also it's quite a lightweight device at only 4 kilos, which is quite handy when you're using it for a long period of time. You don't want to get any cramps in your hand and that sort of thing. So let's open it up, shall we? So inside the box you obviously have the main module, and then you have the stick that attaches to that, and then you've got the actual head here. And then you've got a range of attachments. These come included. You can buy more on the Shark website, so these will be quite useful when you're doing your cleaning around the house. That's the charger. It plugs straight into the main module here, and that's how you charge the battery. The battery can be removed, so you are able to buy another one from the Shark website to extend the battery life. There we go. Now on the battery, you have the battery indicator here, so this will tell you how long you've got left on your device. It does take around 3.5 hours to charge it to the full battery power, and which is quite a fair amount of time, but it's not as bad as some other devices. It also comes with this handy carry pouch, which you can use to contain all of your attachments and not lose them. And let's just put it all together and see how it works, shall we? There we go. Okay, so here we have it. It's very easy to maneuver. It's got quite a flexible end to it, as you can see. And if I turn it on, so I just do that by pushing down this switch here. So when you push it all the way down, that goes to the full whack. And then you can lift this lever up here to give it some extra juice. The first switch, it's not as powerful, but it's enough to do most easy sort of household chores. I guess if you were to use the first option here, the one that's less powered, that would extend your battery life to the full 40 minutes. But then if you were to run it on the increased power, and I guess use the extra power juice bit here, that will probably reduce your time to around 16 minutes. So it does depend on the task, but that's optional, not to you. I like the little headlights, it's quite useful, and I also like the fact that this has a flexible stick, so you can go underneath your tables or sofas and do what you need to do. To empty it, all you have to do is detach it from the stick, and I'm just going to empty it on my floor because there's nothing that I've picked up really. And then you just push this down and the flap opens up, and it's really as simple as that. Close, job done. Now if we look closely at the head, so that's their new anti-hair technology there. It isn't like a normal hoover head, so I guess we'll have to see if it actually works. So based on what we've seen today and my limited use of it, I would recommend it purely because I like the design. It's not a bad price at £249.99 compared to other devices. The power is very good, so you have 40 minutes of full use on that first function on the full battery, and it just looks good as well. I like the idea of the anti-hair technology, so if you have got pets or people with long hair in the house, that will come in useful. I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.